I've got about 25 years of experience in the plastics industry, thermoplastics. I've worked for big companies on the resin side of the business. So when I started 3DX Tech, it was really kind of with the goal to bring the focus on functionality. And we're located in Byron Center. I've got a shop down in Byron Center where I bring in the materials, I extrude it into filament. I have probably maybe a half dozen printers now. I'm getting some big industrial scale ones coming up pretty soon. There's other things when you're talking about increasing resolution, increases time, infill density increases time, you start spending a little bit more money. Where we can start to really spend more money though is when we start to move up what is considered in the industry the performance pyramid. So as this material pyramid is broad at the bottom, and you would imagine that some of these materials like HIPS, high impact polystyrene, or ABS, there might be 100 suppliers of these materials worldwide. I'm talking on the resin side, not the filament guys, but of the resin companies, big chemical companies, there might be over 100 resin companies making ABS in the world. You start to move up into the mid-grade, the higher performance engineering polymers, you start to drop to like 10 or 12 or 15 guys making that material. But as you do that, your volume that they make per year drops off and the price goes up. In the materials, you have strength and stiffness. That's kind of so the strength, if you can really imagine, it's kind of like you pulling on a rope. That's your strength. Your stiffness is your bending of it. So if you took a member and you were to bend it, and it was really, really resistant to bending, that would be the modulus, whether it be flexural modulus or tensile modulus or what have you, the resistance to bending. So something would be really, really stiff, it would have a high modulus. Something that had really, really strong, say, nylon rope. You just really can't pull it and break it. That would have a real high tensile strength. But it wouldn't have modulus. I mean, you can bend it, wrap it in a knot, and do whatever. That TPU that they were handing around is a good example of something that might actually have some pretty decent strength, but very little modulus. So that's kind of what I mean by that.